Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I got Mr. Bones here with me to record. We're gonna show you how to make some potion bottles. So let me show you what I got and where I got it from, and then we will get to it. First, last year they had these at the dollar section at Target, and there was only one left. I didn't see any this year yet, but I'm gonna go back. These are from Dollar Tree, so these are $1.25. So I got 2 of them. Got some Mod Podge, where you can get at Dollar Tree or Walmart. You want to get some food coloring. You can get at any grocery store, or you can just order it on Amazon and have it delivered to you. And you want luster dust. They sell this in the baking aisles, and we got this one at Amazon. It was like $5.60. They have different colors, but I figured I'd just get the white one because it can just go with any color. And then labels, they had some printable labels on Pinterest, so I'll put this in the description. You can look that up and just print it. This is just regular paper. I don't have stickers. Just cut it out and you put Mod Podge on it. So let's get to it. So you want to put water, just plain water, in your bottle. Pick out your food coloring. I'm gonna put a few drops in, and I get a wooden stick to mix it up. So drip, drip, drip. Take a little skewer and then just mix that around. Then you want to get your luster dust. And you want to put slowly, because you don't want to spill it all over the place, into your bottle. Okay, once you get it in there, you're going to mix it and mix it and mix it until you get it how you want it, your potion to look. This is freaking awesome. Like, look at that. I think that is super cool. And you put on your cap. Oops, a little more luster dust fell on the top. You want to mix that up, give that shimmer shimmer look, and you got your brain juice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please leave me a comment below and tell me which one is your favorite. And I will also put in the description about the luster dust if you want to buy it on Amazon. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Turn on notifications so you can see the next one. Thank you. Have a great day. Say bye, Mr. Bones.